Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we're gonna show you a vlog of when we went to a gold market in Riyadh. Here you'll get all types of jewelry from low weight to heavy, also 21 to 22 karat gold as well. This is the Banadim Gold and Jewelry store in Batha, Riyadh. This is in the Batha market of Riyadh.
السلام عليكم. كيف الحال؟
الحمد لله. اخبارك؟
كويس؟
الحمد لله. طيب علومك. ما شاء الله.
ما شاء الله.
ما شاء الله.
السلام عليكم مدير.
هلا هلا مدير، كيف حالك؟ طيب؟
الحمد لله
كنك
طيب.
بدر كنك ديسكاونت، يجي نبغى ديسكاونت
ان شاء الله.
شوف يشتري زبون. اسمع يا ولد، هات على نفسك. شي صوت زبون. اول خمس.
السلام
They're
عليكم.
very fun people, very nice people.
الدكان كده فينا.
كله جول خلاص. تعال يا مدير، طيب تعال. وين صفحة اليوتيوب؟ يبغى صفحة يوتيوب، صفحة
صفا؟ ايش اسمه؟
يوتيوب ايش اسمه؟
There are other gold shops nearby, but we found what we needed here in this shop. You can see that they have a lot of lightweight jewelry as well. We did show you some of the lightweight ones, so I think now it's time to show you some of the heavy jewelries which they have. Heavy necklaces. These are still the lightweight ones, and here are the heavy ones. And if you are planning to buy gold, just go to this shop and refer our channel and you will get good discount on making charges. They also have different type of rings, some of which are completely gold and some have different type of stones on them. You can decide whatever you want. These bangles look really good and they don't look lightweight either.
هذا هو هذا هذا
अरे फ्रेंड
شوف هذا نعم خلاص لا هذا
انت شو مره
يا اخي
مره
الكمامه بدري
هذه فتوى
You have to like, share and subscribe. Until then, see you in the next video. Bye.